Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries Fire Sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries Fire Sign. Wheel of Fortune, Page of Cups, and the High Priestess. Queen of Wands, Seven of Swords, and Four of Pentacles. Death card, communication. I think you are undergoing some transformation, Aries, and the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio also. I think you decided to move on from this person. For some, that is ending. There is some type of ending or no contact situation between you and your person. But there is transformation in your life right now going through. So let's see your reading, Aries. Recent past, Wheel of Fortune, Page of Cups, and High Priestess. So you are listening to your intuition, you are trusting your higher guides, and things are turning out in your favor in past. And Page of Cups, someone is coming back with an apology. They did something wrong to you, maybe to your person. They may be cheated on you, lied to you. For some, it could be third party situation also. That's why they're coming back with an apology. Communication, Page of Cups. Maybe your person is immature. They're not handling things well. Yeah, things are turning out in your favor in past. Recently shifting everything in your positive way, everything in your way, and someone is coming back with an apology, message, communication. Then present, Queen of Wands, Seven of Swords, Four of Pentacles. Yeah, you stand by your power, you are holding back because you don't trust this person. Because Seven of Swords, they are very sneaky. In past, they played games with you. Now they're coming back with an apology. Because Page of Cups with Seven of Swords, they're immature. For some, they are not available to you emotionally when you need them. They cheated on you, false communication, miscommunication, definitely. That's why you stand by your power. Now totally you are in your control, Aries, and you are holding back. But they're coming back with an apology. Then future energies, Four of Wands, Ten of Cups, and Eight of Swords. Yeah, they're ready to offer Ten of Cups. And they want celebration with you, and you also want this happiness with your person, but you are feeling stuck. You are unable to make any decision because you don't trust them. There are some trust issues also because in past they hurt you. Now they're coming back to offer this Four of Wands and Ten of Cups happiness, but you are feeling stuck. You don't know which decision you have to make. And for some, you want this happiness from your person, but it is not happening. That's why you are feeling stuck. You are stuck on them. But you will overcome that energy because you stand by your power. Queen of Wands is here. This is temporary, not permanent. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. What's going between you and your person? Ace of Swords, communication, truth coming out, clarity. So first we will see their current feelings, Aries. Okay, Three of Pentacles. Knight of Wands. They are very attracted to you and they are very passionate about you. There is a lot of passion involved in this connection. Maybe in past there is no commitment. They are in and out of your life that causing the separation. Maybe they keeping their options open. Three of Pentacles with Justice card. They're really hoping for second chance with you and they really want to work on this relationship. Three of Pentacles. In past, there is no collaboration between you and your person, but really they want second chance with you to prove themselves this time. because Three of Pentacles is reconciliation, justice, second chances, marriage. They want to commit to you, and right now your person feeling overburdened, maybe due to family responsibilities or work pressure. For some in past, this relation should be like for them hard work, because your person Knight of Wands always, they will come when they want, they will go when they want, that type of energy. They're scared about commitment, but they now they want to work on this relationship. Yeah. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Aries. Yeah, they want success in this connection. They're wishing for this connection, and communication, Queen of Swords, and under the deck, Hierophant. They really want to commit to you. They're ready to offer commitment. Maybe after the separation, they realize you both. Honest communication. They want to express their true feelings to you. They're going to be open up. Maybe in past they're having hard time to express their feelings, but this time they're really hoping for this connection. They're really wishing for this connection because Nine of Cups, and they want to win you back again in their life. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level, marriage, commitment. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Nine of Wands. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot, and High Priestess, they're listening to higher self, and another deck, Capricorn. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, the devil. Maybe they're obsessively thinking about you. They're obsessed with you. That's why they're coming back. Queen of Cups. You still have emotions for your person, Aries. You are very caring and giving person. You're always there for your person. And Page of Swords with Magician. Yeah, they're watching you. They're stalking on your social media. And the Magician, I think it's you. You are manifesting everything in your life. You are manifesting energy. Maybe you are working on yourself, Aries. And for some, you are manifesting them again in your life. You are trying to manifesting them. Yeah, commitment, Hierophant. Definitely commitment is coming, but after these misconceptions, first these misconceptions have to gone away, then the commitment will come. Because the moon, definitely some misunderstanding, some illusions are there between you and your person. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. Five of Swords, definitely a lot of misunderstandings between both of you. Yeah, I am seeing commitment is coming in this connection. They are coming back. I think it is this connection has potential. Final card is Hierophant, commitment. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aries. Yeah, they're coming back, but very slow moving energy, and they want to offer this cup of love. King of Swords, communication, clarity. Yeah, patience is the key here, and temperance. The person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, and there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. Maybe your person is fighting for your attention. So under the deck, Eight of Wands, communication. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. I think they are ready to express their feelings. You will get clarity. Yeah, Ace of Pentacles, they really want to commit to you. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Temperance again. I think patience is the key here, guys. And one person in this connection could be Sagittarius, fire sign. And Judgment. Yeah, they're going to be choose you, and they're going to be make a move. They're going to be make their mind. They're very clear this time. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aries. It's time to release negativity, especially when full moon in Scorpio. So if you have any negative thoughts, or if you are thinking about someone negatively, and this time it is the time to release negativity. Okay, so this is the message from universe, Aries. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.